Nelson Mandela, a name that resonates with courage, perseverance, and unwavering dedication to social justice. Born into a world of inequality and oppression, he became a beacon of hope for millions, inspiring us all with his remarkable journey of resilience and triumph. We delve into the life principles applied by one of the greatest leaders of our time. The ideal of a rainbow nation with justice and equality for all.
I have fought very firmly against white domination. I have fought very firmly against black domination. I cherish the ideal of a new South Africa where all South Africans are equal.
Nelson Mandela's vision of a rainbow nation referred to a South Africa where people of all races and ethnicities would live together in harmony. He believed that the country's diversity should be celebrated and used as a source of strength rather than division. Mandela worked tirelessly to promote reconciliation and healing after the end of apartheid. Nelson Mandela believed in the importance of building strong relationships with a wide range of individuals and groups, both within South Africa and internationally. This included his close working relationship with fellow anti-apartheid activists such as Govan Mbeki, Ahmed Kathrada, and Walter Sisulu. Additionally, Mandela recognized the value of solidarity with other nations and worked to build relationships with countries such as Libya, Cuba, and Tanzania. These alliances were based on shared values and common struggles for liberation and human rights, and were seen by Mandela as important sources of support in the fight against apartheid. He believed he would achieve the ideal of a free and fair South Africa. Mandela placed a strong emphasis on reconciliation and healing after years of conflict and division, promoting forgiveness and unity among South Africans of all backgrounds.
The time for the healing of the wounds has come. The moment to bridge the chasms that divide us has come. The time to build is upon us. Let there be justice for all. Let there be peace for all. Let there be work, bread, water, and salt for all. Let each know that for each, the body, the mind, and the soul have been freed to fulfill themselves. Never, never, and never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience the oppression of one by another.
Nelson Mandela's commitment to struggle against apartheid was all-encompassing and deeply personal. Throughout his life, Mandela dedicated himself to the cause of justice and equality, and his efforts to end apartheid and build a new South Africa defined his identity and purpose.
The Africans want the franchise on the basis of one man, one vote. They want political independence.
He was willing to make significant sacrifices for his beliefs, including spending 27 years in prison.
I have cherished the ideal of a democratic and free society in which all persons will live together in harmony and with equal opportunities. It is an ideal for which I hope to live for and to see realized. But my Lord, if it needs be, it is an ideal for which I am prepared to die.
Nelson Mandela was known for his personal magnetism, which was a combination of his charisma, charm, and compelling presence. He was known for his powerful oratory skills and his ability to inspire and motivate people with his words.
Well, I was in the company of great men indeed. Some of them more qualified, more talented than I am. And to sit down with them, to exchange views,
was one of the most revealing experiences I had. To sit down with those men and to exchange views, it enriched your own life. It fortified your morality. It gave you courage to do better than your best.
Mandela's personal magnetism was also rooted in his strength of character and his unwavering commitment to his values, which made him a trusted and respected leader both in South Africa and around the world.
For anybody who changes his principles depending on whom he is dealing, that is not a man who can lead a nation.
Nelson Mandela demonstrated the power to keep going on even when the only thing they rode on was hope, by his unyielding commitment to his principles and his unwavering belief in the possibility of a better future.
Our struggle is a truly national one. It is a struggle of the African people, inspired by our own suffering and our own experience. It is a struggle for the right to live. During my lifetime, I have dedicated my life to this struggle of the African.
His ability to persevere in the face of challenges and maintain his hope and optimism was a testament to his strength of character and his unwavering belief in the power of positive change.
You have a limited time to stay on earth. You must try and use that period for the purpose of transforming your country into what you desire it to be: a democratic, non-racial, non-sexist country. And that was a great task.
At the key decision point, Mandela decided to negotiate with the apartheid government without the inclusion of his comrades. Nelson Mandela's decision to negotiate with the apartheid government without the inclusion of his comrade was a controversial and difficult one. But it was ultimately based on his belief that it was necessary to end the conflict and move forward to a more peaceful and democratic South Africa.
Of the brain, of our emotions.
Nelson Mandela was a legendary leader who inspired the world with his remarkable leadership style. He is widely considered to be one of the most influential figures of the 20th century, and his leadership principles have become a source of inspiration for leaders all over the world.